5. Know what to expect from the test. Part 1, 4 to 5 minutes. The examiner will ask you very straightforward questions. Part 1 is the easiest part of the test. The foreigner will ask you 3 or 4 questions about that one topic and then move to the another. I expect to talk about yourself, your professional situation, your studies now or in the past, your family, your hometown, your hobbies, or your daily routine. Develop your ideas, give details, be interesting, and everything will be fine. The questions are not tricky. The simple sticks to the question and show the examiner you can talk. Don't make things complicated. Simply fully answer every question. Part 2. A minute to prepare it and 2 plus 2 minutes to speak. The examiner will give you a card with a main question and some ideas about what to talk about. You are given 1 minute to think about what you say, and you can take some notes, and you should. Candidates do not write anything, often get stuck after 1 minute and 30 seconds, and frequently repeat themselves and hesitate too much. Once the minute is over, the foreigner will ask you to start talking. You have 2 minutes to answer to the question. Once the 2 minutes are over, examiner will interrupt you, and whether you will still have things to say doesn't matter. No one is allowed to speak for longer than 2 minutes. Try to speak at least 1 minute and 50 seconds if you intend to get at least 5.5 points. After 2 minutes, the examiner might ask you 1 or 2 follow-up questions based on your answer. Examiner might want more detail, or you might ask you clarify the thing you may have said. Part 3. 4 to 5 minutes. The examiner should ask you the questions related to the topic you were asked about in part 2. The questions in part 3 should be more abstract and conceptual. The questions are a bit harder. If you read all questions I provide in this book, you will know what to expect. The examiner will ask you to compare situations. I'll give advantage and disadvantage of various things to describe places or memories. You might have to speculate about the future and share your opinion on different beliefs and actions. Work on your listening. If you don't understand the question, you will be fine. You will be fine. The examiner expects you hear your point of view on different topics. There is no right, wrong, or as long as you explain yourself clearly. Don't hesitate to give examples to illustrate your arguments, just like when you write, and make things as clear as possible. Yeah, that is definitely and well enough for in this video. Yeah, thank you.